Hey guys, welcome back to the Android Kenya channel. Today we're going to look at this. This is the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. It is one of the three devices that Tecno is availing here in Kenya, and the others being the standard variant, Tecno Camon 15, and of course the Tecno Camon 15 Air. So the time I'm shooting this, the Tecno Camon 15 standard variant is already available in the market for 18,000 shillings, and this 15 Premier and the other one, the 15 Air, are set to come in a few days, and they'll be going for, this will cost 27,000 shillings and the Air will go for 16,000 shillings. Hopefully by the time you get to watch this, both of them will already have hit the market. So with me here is the Premier, and as the name suggests, it's the apex of the entire Camon 15 smartphone series. So let's see what you get inside this box and see if you're getting value for your money, if you're going to pay that entire 27,000 shillings. So I've already cut the polythene complete with that sticker so that we go all in right at once. So right off the bat you can see this packaging. It's standard. The 15, as you can check on the blog, also appears with a sticker that is of a similar set. So here we go. What I expect to be a case and some paperwork, and here is the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. Let's keep that aside for a while and look inside here, see what we get. So there's nothing left here. Your usual Tecno 13-month warranty sticker. You get clear case that it's textured here at the back, and of course it has a cutout for all those cameras that Tecno has put on the back of the Camon 15 Premier, and of course that Manchester City branding, since they are sports partners, cut out for the fingerprint sensor here. Let's keep this aside. There's nothing more here, and we have nothing else there. So let's bring this the center of our attention, which is the device. So here you go. So this is what color they're calling it, the opal white. So this is the opal white color variant. As you can see, it's quite something, and the first impressions, at least from me, are that wow. Yeah, so here's your Camon 15 Premier as it lists here on the front. You get at the back here, at the head of that 4-camera setup, is a 64 megapixel sensor with the ultra night lens, the TIVOS that Tecno keeps talking about, and of course on the front here is a 6.6 inch display, the same one that you can find on the other variants. But unlike on those, you realize there is no cutout for a camera, there is no punch hole, there is no notch, there is nothing. That's because you have a self-raising pop-up camera here, 32 megapixels to take care of the selfie situation. And the other good thing about this, since it's the apex of the Camon 15 series, you're getting 128 gigabytes of onboard storage and 6 GB RAM. That's as far as the storage goes, that's double on the standard variant, and it's more than what you get on that variant. That one comes with 4 GB RAM, 64 GB onboard storage. The button arrangement here also looks very fine, as is the SIM tray there where it's placed, and of course if this can be captured, I'm not so sure. That's where your pop-up camera comes in. Yeah, still micro USB. Then here you have the speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microphone. So there's this very shiny frame. Yeah, so at least at a glance, that's the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. We'll have a quick roundup of it and compare it to the other models on the site, so you can check that out. You can also check out the specifications, all the specifications of this device on the site, in case there's anything that I've left out here. Yeah, so that's the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. Now, besides the device, of course, which we have dwelled on a bit, here's the rest of the stuff that comes in the box of the device. You have a charging adapter here, and we have your earphones. Okay, this looks like something I'd want to test. Your earphones here, and of course your USB charging cable, and that's about it. Is there anything else you have inside here? No, there's nothing else. We have your device, charging accessories, your earphones, a warranty card, and yeah, that's about it. That's all that comes in the box of the Tecno Camon 15 Premier. Thanks for watching. Let's peel off these stickers. So let's peel this off. And there we have our device. You can see, okay, maybe you may not be able to see, there's some lines here. It reminds you of the kind of lines that you can see on the standard Spark model. And of course, the same Tecno branding here, and designed by Tecno Camon branding. Up here, our pop-up camera. Yes, that very shiny frame. Yeah, and here is your full display, full view. Of course, unlike the standard variant and the Air, this is, you're looking at a full HD plus display. So this is what you get here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.